Thank you very much, and thank you, Dr. Macri, for being here and joining us on the Hill today. We've discussed the issue of chemical abortion before. However, I'd like to revisit the topic in light of new data published last month by the Ethics and Public Policy Center. This data reveals a much higher risk from the abortion drug, Mifepristone, than previously acknowledged. And this raises the questions whether it's time to reconsider the broadly unrestricted access to the drug. It makes me question if the FDA should reinstate the original safeguards in order to protect vulnerable women and minors from experiencing the horrible adverse and life-threatening complications that could follow the chemical abortion regimen. First, let me summarize the new data. In April 2025, researchers from Ethics and Public Policy Center and the Foundation of the Restoration of America reviewed the outcomes of 865,000 plus drug-induced abortions from 2017 to 2023. These abortions occurred after the FDA in 2016 removed the requirement for doctors to report non-fatal but adverse complications. The data shows that 94,605 serious adverse events, proving conclusively that more than 1 out of 10 women are put at risk by the Mifepristone. This real-world rate is 20 times greater than the rate the FDA used when it originally approved the drug. Specifically, this data shows that, quote, their words, 10.93% of women experience sepsis, infection, hemorrhaging, or other serious adverse events within 45 days following the chemical abortion. If serious complications have increased as safety rules have been loosened over the last 25 years, then logically it makes sense to bring those safety protections back. At the very least, the FDA should restore the original safety requirements from 2000 under its risk evaluation and mitigation strategies. How do you view this new data, and will the FDA be taking this new data into consideration and commit to restoring common sense protections like requiring an in-person doctor visit before women can actually access Mifepristone?
Thank you, Senator Hyde-Smith, and good to see you again. I think a lot of people are asking those questions, and so I did see those top-line results that you referenced, and we are going to take a look at those data as they become available. There is no peer-reviewed publication, and the underlying data set is not available, but when it does become available, we're going to take a hard look at it. Thank you.
Thank you. I would appreciate that very, very much.
Thank you.